So I got some more online pickups. Let's check out what I got. We'll start here. OEM Tools. It's a 4-piece seal and O-ring remover set. I got plenty of picks and all that, but I don't have any of that style, so just figured I'd pick some up. Didn't want too much. I like the green. It's pretty nice. Yeah, very simple tool. There's the part number. And this is a magnetic tray set that is nice and orange, but you can definitely tell it comes from China with all that instruction on there. But I mean, the little ones are nice, but I really wanted just a large one. Don't have anything this size, so yeah, this is fairly cheap enough. That. What else did I get? Just those are nice. I'll do something with the little ones eventually. It's crazy that you really expect you to read that. Let's see, what is this? Oh, huh. Yeah, seen this for a good price, and these are always good to have. It's I think a 10-pack of just pocket screwdrivers. It's a Tucson Racing brand, I guess, but yeah, these are nice to have, and the ends are magnetic. How magnetic, but yeah, fairly strong. That's nice. Definitely nice magnets. Not bad. Always nice to have. Nice and handy. You know, it's cheap enough. 10-pack. You know, give them away as a gift or something, or whatever it may be. You know. It's a clamp assortment. It's not just your average clamps. I forgot exactly what they're called, but that comes with 8mm, 21s, 18, 12s, 10mm, and 15mm, and also the tiny millimeter 7. And it does come with the pliers too, to crimp it down on them. Definitely nice and tight. I worked those in. That's a fairly simple tool. Yeah, that wasn't too much at all, but nice to have. And I also picked up, this is some slip joints from Tecton. This is a 3-piece set. show you what it came with. I want to say these are like an 8-inch, 6-inch, and like a 5-inch. But yeah, these ones are fairly small. Yeah, decent. Looks like decent quality. I think I have like one other large pair of that are like that, slip joints like that, which are channel locks. So just figured I'd pick up some smaller ones. And for a 3-piece, it was like, I don't know, around $30 or something, but I'll post it up. But yeah, not bad. So this one, I'm a little excited to open it up. I do have the Harbor Freight version of this, but this one definitely seems like it's a lot better. It is the Ulsa Tools, the 1/2-inch drive split beam torque wrench, and definitely seemed nice online with the reviews and all that. So definitely liking this, or the reviews I had. There's part number, and the price on this was not bad at all. You know, people were comparing this to Snap-on, but we'll see about that. So, nice blow molded case. It does, you know, give it a couple specs on there. 32.2, 50 to 250 foot-pounds, 4% accuracy and all that. Let's see. Are you leaving?
I'm gonna go get my tools.
Are you gonna get your tools? Okay.
Yeah.
Not the greatest finish so far from what I see, but I'm not one to complain about that. Sure, this is the spec sheet and the certification. That's a manual, and then there you got the certification is calibration. Definitely, it's got some nice weight to it. I mean, it does have somewhat of a flex head, but that's, I think, max right there. Just to keep your hands away from whatever you're torquing, so that should be good enough. But, yeah. The handle is plastic, but it has some rubber on the sides. And there's some indents for your fingers. It does feel good in the hand, you know. So there's the dial indicator. It's gonna be nice for like torquing wheels and lug nuts. So yeah. Yeah, this thing definitely like it so far. Feels good and it looks good. I know they have a blue color as well. That would have been nice to get, but yeah, I'm liking it. Can't wait to try it out.